In this video, we will install a ProTrak 12-inch extension. These are the materials and tools needed for this installation. To begin, place the ProTrak on your work surface with the left side facing up. Thread two of the spacers onto the front and rear of the side plate as shown. Hand tighten both spacers. Insert the left stub, which is the stub that has the two sets of pins that are closest together, into the spindle on the left side of the ProTrak body. Insert it with the lowest set of pins towards the spindle. It's important to use the left stub shaft on the left side of the assembly or the treads will not align. Insert one of the 2.83-inch couplers onto the stub and rotate to lock in place. Take one of the track assemblies and insert the corresponding stub on the inside of the rear of the track assembly into the corresponding coupler. Rotate the assembly to lock the stub into the coupler, then rotate the assembly to line up the bolt holes of the spacers that you just installed. Thread two 301-24105 bolts to secure the assembly to the spacers. Tighten the bolts with the 5/16 Allen wrench. Gently rotate the ProTrak unit so that the right side is facing up. Thread the two remaining spacers and hand tighten. Insert the right stub, which is the stub that has the two sets of pins that are farther apart, into the spindle on the right side of the ProTrak body. Insert it with the lowest set of pins toward the spindle. Insert the remaining 2.83-inch coupler onto the stub and rotate to lock in place. Take the remaining track assembly and lock the stub on the inside back of the assembly into the coupler. Rotate the assembly to line up the holes in the assembly with the holes in the two spacers. Thread the two remaining 301-24105 bolts to secure the assembly. Use the 5/16 Allen wrench to tighten the bolts. Rotate the unit to rest right side up on your work surface, and your ProTrak 12-inch extension is installed. You can contact product support for additional troubleshooting assistance after completing these initial tasks.